In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the jack pads on this BMW X5. This is going to be located on the side corners of the vehicle underneath. Let's get into it. You want to raise the vehicle and make sure you're not supporting where the jack pad is. I'm using a straight blade screwdriver and there's a pin right in the center. You pop that pin down. You could use a trim tool as well. There's the pin. Pull that out. Then on the side, we'll just use the trim tool and just pry it down. Just like that. There's the old one. I'm going to take the new jack pad, get that lined up. Push it in place. Take the pin, slide that in. I'm just going to tap it in. I'm just going to use a punch and just give it a tap. If you can tap it straight from underneath, that'd be good. You don't want to break the plastic. Go. Tap it up. You can do the same for the other ones.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.